everybody. Thank you very much for being here. It's the pre-match press conference for Mount Pleasant Academy against Cavalier. First match of the 2024 Caribbean Cup. We're joined by the head coach of Mount Pleasant Academy, Mr. Harold Thomas, and of course captain of Mount Pleasant Academy, Sue-Lea McCalla. Firstly, coach, a few opening remarks for you. Mount Pleasant's first or debut in this competition. Your thoughts and how has preparation been leading into tomorrow's match?
Well, it's been a long-awaited arrival for Mount Pleasant at this level. Our preparation has gone relatively smoothly. A short period of time, but nonetheless, we were able to achieve the goals we wanted to. It included, integrating new players into the squad and so on. But we're happy with where we are.
So for you, this wouldn't be your first time playing in CONCACAF. You've done so in a previous club. But your thoughts now with Mount Pleasant and playing in this competition now?
I think with Mount Pleasant, the whole excitement, because we are all excited as a club, so it brings a different vibe.
All right, we can open the floor now for questions. Please go ahead and indicate, and you can pose your question.
Sue-Lea, Mount Pleasant has transferred many players throughout the years from when they started to where they are now. Looking at the roster, you are the only player that has lasted over the entire time since their birth into the Premier League. Firstly, how does that feel for you? And secondly, for you to still be here wearing the captain armband when CONCACAF football has become possible?
Well, personally, it's always good to know that I'm doing something good to be at the club over these years. So it's just to continue to work hard for the club and for the people of St. Ann.
And being in CONCACAF, how does that feel?
It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling for a new club, first time. So, it's a lot of excitement for us.
Coach Harold, reverse the question. Mount Pleasant is also transferring a lot of coaches in their life in the Premier League. You're at the head of the most important time now in CONCACAF football. Any pressure on Coach Harold?
Absolutely not. It's what we live for. But just to, talk back to Sue-Lea's, I think it's a wonderful achievement for Sue-Lea and a testament to his performance that he's still here. We're happy to have him leading the group. For us, it's just a matter of getting all the things right, all the eggs in one line. But we're happy.
I'm kind of follow up on what Neil said. Go ahead, Mr. Ireland. It's a maiden voyage on the CONCACAF series here with, of course, Mount Pleasant. Your experience, certainly, the crucial of the league. What's your expectation?
We've assembled a very good group of players, players with experience, players who have achieved a lot in their careers so far. It's a matter of guiding them, and getting the benefit of the experience that not only I have, but other people in the group have, to express themselves and to aim for the achievement here. There's always a first. It's a first for them here, but the next level will also be a first.
How well do you know?
You can never be 100% sure. They have tendencies that we know of, but who knows? They've also lost players, so they might be regrouping. So we are prepared for any eventualities.
Any other further question?
Earlier, Mr. Speed mentioned that the rivalry between Cavalier and Mount Pleasant is important. He also mentioned that every time Cavalier ends up playing Mount Pleasant, it's a brand new Mount Pleasant team that he's going up against. We know the transfers that we made in the previous transfer or in the ongoing transfer window. How gel is the team at the moment to play a match of this magnitude?
There's always the opportunity to improve on that, and we look forward to that. As to whether or not we're at the level we want, we are at the level we are, and we will live and perform at that level. Hopefully it's good enough to carry us right through, but there's better to come.
Sue-Lea, Cavalier brought Kyrie Irving to their press conference earlier, who mentioned that he will have some inside information from the Mount Pleasant team. Looking at it now, you'll be playing against him. How does it feel as a captain, or what has to be done for you to ensure, I asked Coach about the gelling, how is the team as regards to their mental aspect right now?
Coming up against Cavaliers, we know what to expect, and think we are prepared for anything. So it's just for us to just go there and to execute what the coaching staff has put to us.
Coach, question for you, Coach. This Cavalier team, when we look at the age approximation on the youngest team, of course, not only can we look at Premier League, but also in this competition. I suppose we have your Arsenal ready to continue, given their speed, especially in front.
We've seen that before. We have nullified that before. And the important thing is the ball. I mean, if you can run without the ball, great. But if you don't have the ball, all of that running is to no avail, right? And our strategy or our thought into the game is that if we have the ball, they'll have to bring a second ball to be able to use it.
I like that. How deep are you in the league that this Mount Pleasant team can go in this competition? Mind you, they still have a far way to go. Aren't plans and so on in your group.
Every tournament has its own characteristic. The first couple of games in any tournament is of significance. So we want to start on the right foot. If we start on the right foot, we are confident in our abilities to prevail in this tournament moving forward.
And just a last question to Sue-Lea. This is a team you have faced some months ago, another competition, broke beat in the final. How different was this week meeting them again?
It's always a game of high magnitude with Cavaliers, because the excitement surrounding Mount Pleasant Cavaliers. So it's nothing different. We just have to keep our heads and keep our cool and focus on the task.
Any other further questions? Coach Thomas, just finally with you, as you know, the magnitude of this competition, the importance for the club, you can speak to that because it will reach a wider audience, television-wise, and Mount Pleasant will be on the lips of many more people across the region as well.
It's as you say, it's a big event. It reaches across borders. The goal of the club is, of course, to grow, both in terms of support and importance across these regions. This is the first step towards that. It's a humble beginning, but once we get this right, we will move to a completely new dimension, both in terms of the Caribbean and in the wider Latin America. And that is the goal. That is a part of the goal. There are even greater goals yet, but that is important, and we take it extremely serious to get to that level.
Thank you very much, gentlemen.
All right, thank you very much.